Okay, I'd like to show you how my different browsers are using the persistent state cookies that I was researching. So this is Opera. Let me click all of these as if I paid all of these bills this week. And when I hit the refresh, it does not save the state. So with Opera, I was not able to have persistent state with my checkboxes being checked. So that was a failure. Let's see what does work. Let's try it in Firefox. I'm waiting on it to load. Here we go. This actually is saving state. If I undo these and just save these three here at the bottom, go on ahead and hit refresh. It saves it through the refresh. And if I completely close out of the browser, go back in my Notepad++ and relaunch it completely again. That's going to take a second. Here we go. It saved the state of these three that I selected. So Firefox gives me persistent state. Let's see what else. Opera doesn't. Firefox does. Let's try Internet Explorer. To help protect your security, Internet Explorer has restricted this web page from running scripts or ActiveX controls. Click here for more options. Allow blocked content. Yes. Now when I click these first two, it doesn't even turn them green. It doesn't even turn them green. And when I hit refresh, the check marks do stay there, but these didn't turn green at all. If I completely close out of here and run it in Internet Explorer again, let's see if it at least keeps those two check marks. And it doesn't. So it doesn't save state at all, and it didn't even change the color of my, well, wait, I'm sorry, allow blocked content. Let me do that first and see. No, even when I allowed the blocked content, it still did not save state of the check boxes, and it didn't change color. So Internet Explorer doesn't work at all with that code. Let's run in Chrome. Here comes Chrome. Let's just try to save these first two. Hit refresh, and it does nothing but get rid of our checks immediately and change it back to red. So no persistent state with Chrome. And lastly, let's try Safari. Okay, it looks like it is saving state. If I take this car off and let me do the electric, another bill, cable, and rent. So we have the 1, 10, 11, and 12. Let's hit refresh. Okay, it did not take our check boxes or our color green off. Let's close out of this completely and hit run in Safari again and open it completely new from Notepad++. And it actually did save the persistent state for the 1st, the 10th, 11th, and the 12th. So the only two that I got working were Firefox and Safari as far as keeping persistent checkbox state. I did the same thing with the cookie test. This came actually from that website with the three divs here with the labels and the checkboxes. Same thing with that. The only ones that worked to keep it was just this simple. It was this simple one. Hold on. Oh, it takes so long. Yeah, option. You hit refresh and it keeps the option. This was the same. The only two that worked was Firefox and Safari. So I don't have consistent code for saving state, so I can't rely on it. So I have to research further and see what other ways I could possibly create my calendar so that I get the functionality that I'm looking for. I might have to use different technique altogether.